Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install a credit card terminal with WePay step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all necessary equipment. Ensure you have your WePay account information on hand. Unbox the credit card terminal and find the power adapter and Ethernet or Wi-Fi connection options. Locate the power supply port on the terminal. Connect the power adapter to the terminal. Plug the other end into a power outlet. If using a wired connection, connect an Ethernet cable to the terminal. Plug the other end of the Ethernet cable into your internet router. For a wireless connection, select the Wi-Fi setup option on the terminal screen. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect to your Wi-Fi network. Once connected, the terminal will confirm the connection. Now, turn on the terminal by pressing the power button. Wait for the terminal to boot up completely. Once operational, look for a menu option labeled Settings. Select Settings to access the configuration menu. Navigate to the Payment Processor option. Choose WePay from the list of available payment processors. Enter your WePay account credentials as prompted. This may include your account ID and API key. Confirm the credentials to link the terminal to your WePay account. After a successful connection, check for any firmware updates. If updates are available, follow the prompts to install them. Test the terminal by processing a small transaction. Swipe, insert, or tap a test card to verify functionality. Review the transaction receipt for confirmation. If everything works correctly, you're ready to start accepting payments. Consider keeping a user manual handy for future reference. Finally, ensure your terminal is placed in a secure, accessible location for customer use. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.